Do you delay important tasks and say, I'll do it later? Yeah, that's called procrastinating. And today you're learning how to talk about it in English. You'll master expressions like put off and procrastinator that native speakers use constantly. Let's jump in. Part 1. Listening practice. Listen to this conversation about overcoming procrastination. Hey, Jordan. Did you start working on your project today? Not really. I keep postponing it for some reason. Come on, don't be a procrastinator. Why not begin working now? I just don't feel motivated. I constantly tell myself I'll tackle it tomorrow, but tomorrow never actually arrives. That's exactly the issue with procrastinating. It creates unnecessary stress and difficulty. I genuinely wish I could break this pattern. You absolutely can. Just commit to working 15 minutes daily. Tiny actions lead to progress. That's actually sensible advice. I'll attempt starting this evening. Fantastic. Remember, the earlier you begin, the quicker you'll finish and feel relieved. Thanks, Nicole. I'll stop delaying it. Part 2. Vocabulary time. Let me explain these productivity expressions. First, put off. To delay or postpone something you should do. Example, stop putting off your homework and finish it now. Next, procrastinator. Someone who habitually delays tasks. Like, he's such a procrastinator that he finishes everything last minute. Then, I wish I could. Expressing desire for something that seems difficult or impossible. For instance, I wish I could speak 5 languages fluently. Also, motivated. Feeling enthusiastic and driven to accomplish something. Example, she's highly motivated to succeed in her career. Finally, tackle. To deal with or approach a problem or task. Like, let's tackle this challenge together step by step. Grammar note. Put off requires an object. Correct, I put off studying. Incorrect, I put off. You can also say, I put studying off, or I put it off. All 3 work. Oh, repetition is crucial. Watch this multiple times and practice aloud. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Answer these questions confidently. What did Nicole ask Jordan? If he started his project. She asked if he started working on his project today. Did Jordan start working? No, he didn't. He keeps postponing it. What does Jordan keep doing? Postponing. He keeps postponing his project. What did Nicole call Jordan? A procrastinator. She said, don't be a procrastinator. Does Jordan feel motivated? No, he doesn't. He doesn't feel motivated. What does Jordan always say? I'll tackle it tomorrow. He constantly says he'll do it tomorrow. Does tomorrow come for Jordan? No, it doesn't. Tomorrow never actually arrives. What problem does procrastinating create? Stress and difficulty. It creates unnecessary stress. Does Jordan want to change? Yes, he does. He wishes he could break the pattern. What advice did Nicole give? Work 15 minutes daily. She advised working just 15 minutes each day. Why small actions? They lead to progress. Tiny actions lead to progress. When will Jordan start? This evening. He'll attempt starting this evening. What did Nicole say about starting early? You'll finish quicker. The earlier you begin, the quicker you'll finish. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Hey, Jordan, Did you start working on your project today? Come on, don't be a procrastinator. Why not begin working now? That's exactly the issue with procrastinating. It creates unnecessary stress and difficulty. You absolutely can. Just commit to working 15 minutes daily. Tiny actions lead to progress. Fantastic. Remember, the earlier you begin, the quicker you'll finish and feel relieved. Not really. I keep postponing it for some reason. I just don't feel motivated. I constantly tell myself I'll tackle it tomorrow, but tomorrow never actually arrives. I genuinely wish I could break this pattern. That's actually sensible advice. I'll attempt starting this evening. Thanks, Nicole. I'll stop delaying it. Excellent work today. Put off and procrastinator are essential for discussing time management and productivity. Use these when talking about delays, goals, and self-improvement. They're common in both casual and professional contexts. Practice until natural. Watch this daily. And remember, stop putting off your English practice. Start today. I'm Vey from English Mastery Podcast. Keep learning these motivational expressions, stay productive, and your English will improve dramatically. See you next time. Keep growing.